hope this one works because this one's so expensive. Hi everyone, this is Layan and welcome to my channel. Okay, we have another video. Sa video na ito ay mag-unbox tayo ng mystery box. Okay, this mystery box, I ordered it from Lazada, and my expectation was this one, but the reality is this. This is the reality, guys. This is the reality. I thought it was a box with a lot of things, but unfortunately this is what we've got. I don't know what inside of this, and let's find out. But before that, please subscribe, comment, and share this video. Alright, so here, this one, I ordered this one 2 weeks ago and it arrived last week. I didn't have time to unbox this because I got so busy. It's almost the finals, and we also have this palarong Pinoy. So guys, let's find out what this one is. Disappointed. I am disappointed. I am actually very sad why it is just like this. I have my expectation of the mystery box was just a mystery box. It's really a box, not this piece of plastic. But anyways guys, let's just open this one and see what's inside. This one is worth 300 something baht. I'll just put it here. It is 300 something baht, and I hope this one, okay, I saw it. I'm opening it already. Okay, so, okay. Oh my gosh, it's an AirPod, but not iPhone's AirPod. But this one, i7 Mini, TW7. Oh my gosh, I had this one. Where is that? Basta, I have this one. It worth only 90 baht or 100 baht, but I bought this for 300 baht. Oh my gosh, I'm so disappointed. Why? This one is not 300 baht. This is more than that. This is more than that. This is only less than what I paid for. Oh my gosh. At saka naka-on pa. Oh, look. It's already on. Naka-on. Promise guys, kanip ito siya nga price. Grabe. I'm so disappointed. I paid like about 400 baht for this, and this one is not even 100 baht. I'm sure this is not 100 baht because I ordered something like this before, and it wasn't 400, it wasn't even 200 baht. I'm so disappointed. I will not buy it anymore. So this is what it looks like. This is a Bluetooth. So here, this is guys, this is only promise you, this is only 90 baht. Oh, the last time I bought it was only 70 baht, but this one is, I paid for 400 baht for this, including the shipping. I hate it. I don't like it. I hope this one works because this was so expensive. Pag i-on nato ni siya, this is what happened. So if you're gonna turn it on, it will look like that. So, and then this one too, at least like that. So now, and then you have to connect this to you have to connect this to your cell phone, and then you will have like that. And then yes kasi dyan na siya, promise. So ilhan kayo nga piki left channel, right channel. So kasi na siya, ilhan siya ang piki. Promise, this is what I've got. I'm so disappointed. I don't like it. I had this one before. I just gave it to my brother, but now, and it's okay if I paid less than 400 baht, but this is more than that. This is worth. This one is not worth it. This is not worth it. I paid for more, and this is what I've got only. So guys, I'm very disappointed. This is all for today, and thank you so much for watching, and please help us comment and share these videos, and